So it's time for for a fan favorite. Actually, we don't know if it's a fan favorite. Let us know in the comments below if this is a fan favorite. And for those of you who aren't subscribed,
Don't touch. Actually, do touch that dial.
touch that dial.
It's been a while.
Touch the dial. Like you keep watching this stuff and you're enjoying it. If you're still watching, you haven't subscribed. Let's be real with each other. It's free. Come on. So it's time for the Aita, as I call it. Aitada. Am I the a-hole?
Am I the asshole for missing a family thing for a football/soccer cup final? I did have my answer, but
I
okay.
also have an answer. Yeah.
Hi.
It's the first one of these things that starts with hi. At least this person has manners.
Nah,
There's so much stuff with their life story.
this person didn't know what go here on. They didn't know.
This is the first one. This is
The first one.
Yeah. Shout out
Anyway.
to you.
Hi.
Just do well. Justice Reddit finds you well.
I've been following this football/soccer team my entire life, and I've never seen them win a major trophy.
What team is it?
USA.
Spurs.
Arsenal.
I'm not allowed to talk about Arsenal on the internet anymore.
I've been with my partner for 8 years, and she's
Why
away.
are the people on this thing never married? Maybe it's because they put me on here. That's why they're not married. How many scenarios have we had none of the people are married? Anyway, sorry for interrupting.
Maybe it's a case of, I tell you what, no, I'm gonna propose to you when we win the Premier League.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I've been with my partner for 8 years, and she's aware of how much this means to me. I do want to note that I'm more than happy to miss out on any other game, and often record games or miss out entirely for every other game of the season. However, this season we are in a final.
Wait, when was this posted?
Yeah, just
1 year ago. Who can that be? It's not the Arsenal.
sounds like Spurs.
It sounds like Spurs. Maybe it's an MLS team. Anyway.
Could be, you never know. However, this season we are fine in a final day. In the final the day before my mother and father-in-law go on holiday, that we organize for them to go to New York. We had previously agreed to go to the hotel with them to see them off the day before, but I never anticipated that my team would get into the final. This is an MLS team now. Sounds like Inter Miami. I've expressed to my partner that this could be one of the biggest days of not only following this team, but also in my life, as I've never seen them win a final and want to do it the right way if it happens. She's suggested watching it on my phone or recording it, but honestly won't feel the same. And I know that I will be miserable / thinking of it the whole day if I don't watch it to go to the hotel. We'd had conversation about this at the shop, and when we got back, she'd clearly taken it badly, as she told her mum straight away. I feel like I've been thrown under the bus by my partner without giving it time for me to settle on this or think about it. And it's made me anxious, as I'd never want to disappoint or upset my mother-in-law.
Good luck.
Half my problem is that she knows I get anxious, and it sometimes stops me from even going downstairs if I feel like my mother-in-law is annoyed.
Hy's bang.
I'm not sure if I'm being the asshole here, if I was to stay at home or go out to watch the final instead of going to the hotel with them to see them off.
I have so many questions. Liam, go.
There's just so much happening here. Look, dude. I think you're playing with this thing as if like you don't care, but you really do. You care too much about your in-laws. Okay, you should care about your in-laws. But I do understand the thing of if it's the first time that your team is making it to a final, Come on. Come on. She's only your partner.
Yeah, clearly you aren't planning on getting married because you've been together for 8 years. You've known her and her mother for 8 years, and you're still scared of her mother. Clearly, the lady don't like him. You know why she don't like you? Is because you still haven't married their daughter.
Mm.
Lay by.
Mm.
I lay by for 8 jaar.
If you had married the
But just
daughter,
now.
they would have taken you to the stadium.
I have a lot of questions. The one,
Let's go.
why is he still scared of his mother-in-law? Two, they're gonna go see them off at the hotel. Maybe they have a cup of coffee or something. What time is the game and what time are they at the hotel? Can't you do both?
Clearly not. You know what they sound like? They sound like all these people that want to watch on the phone. Like that other girl who slammed the door because her dad is watching TV.
Oh yeah. They're
Um,
probably family.
Yeah, because you don't want to watch on the phone.
Look, I can't relate to my team not being in a final forever. My team does finals often. So
What, bruh? Stop making it about yourself, please. Stop. Just stop.
am I the Aita now?
Yeah, I think you are.
I'm trying to compare and I'm saying
Fine.
I can't relate to my team not being in the final for so long. But let me say, if this was me,
Him saying this more and more doesn't sound any better. I can't relate. Jayman, know your place, please. You're behind the scenes.
you see, if I
There's a reason why the people, you know, when you're in the concert, the people by the curtains, they must wear black. You mustn't be seen and you mustn't be heard. So leave United because
I can tell you the last final they were in was Europa League final. But they beat PSG. And they beat
At least
Barcelona. They beat Barcelona without Pedri. Anyway, so
at least we can afford our players.
So they've been. I think it's very Spotify. So he's been with his partner for 8 years. Brother, one, you don't have to be at the hotel the whole day. Two, if you're at the hotel, watch it on your phone. Three, I'm sure the hotel has a downstairs area and a bar and a restaurant and stuff. You can watch it there on the TV also. You don't have to sit and look into your mother-in-law's eyes the whole time that you're there. It's also going to look rude if he like leaves though. How long does it take to see someone off at the hotel? They organized the holiday for them. They really did a favor. Now you must also make nice chatas there with them before they leave. Why? She wants to see her parents. She can must go. You can vice ID.
Okay, bye.
Auntie,
See you
uncle,
later.
enjoy the holiday.
Don't be so.
Yeah,
I got somewhere to go to.
yeah,
He's bang, yeah.
he's bang.
He's bang for the auntie.
He's bang for his partner also.
But now where's the data?
Luckily, there's a strong woman in this family. Very strong willed woman in this family. Derek kan niks sê nie, papi gaan nie saam nie. Papi gaan nie saam nie. So like you didn't see he's even scared to go downstairs if his mother-in-law's there in case
Yeah,
she's
what
upset.
what go on there, bro?
Then he's now hostage. One is they live, I assume they live together. I feel like the mother-in-law's the problem here.
Was she coming but strong?
I think she's coming in a bit strong, but I also think that this guy needs to take the bull by the horns.
What if she supports like another club that's a rivalry or something?
Nah, this lady don't sound like someone who watches football.
How do you know?
So I would have gotten along better if she watched football. Yeah. People los die dinge or get married. Leave this in between.
Those the partnerships. Partnerships is for marketing
And for business.
and for business. Nah? It's business or pleasure. Okay?
Ja, los die partner dinge. Ek spesifiek my partner, this could be one of the biggest days. But also in my life. Can't die manne nog nie propose nie. I
I
was
say it bibs.
like your wedding could be the biggest day of your life, but clearly you aren't getting married. Nou, die man lei baie lank. pages now. Payflix. Anyway, moving along. Am I the AO for giving my brother the opportunity of attending the World Cup and giving it to my BFF instead?
Wait, what?
For giving my brother the opportunity of attending the World Cup and giving it. So you give the opportunity. As you all know, the FIFA World Cup is around the corner. This was 4 years ago. This was previous World Cup. Because World Cups are every 4 years.
Yeah, except
see,
for the the after COVID thing.
Don't confuse me even more.
Okay.
As you know, the FIFA World Cup is around the corner. So everyone in my city and my family is super excited about attending wherever they can afford it. You see, that's the most important thing. You can afford it. About 2 weeks ago, my phone provider guy said they were going to make a giveaway to like 10 people to attend the World Cup, including accommodation and all of that. I, 20F female, never actively wanted to win the giveaway, but to win it, you have to buy credit, which I usually do in large quantities, since I burn out mine pretty fast. That's airtime for South African audience. But to my surprise, I got a phone call from the phone company on the 28th of September saying that I was lucky enough to get a ticket and said that I could either get it for myself or give it away for someone else if I'm not willing to claim it. What kind of competition is this?
Yeah.
Is it like take the ticket and double it and give it to the next person? What kind of competition is that?
It sounds like a Dream Boys move, eh?
Yeah, Dream Boys, that you? That you, Dream Boys? Now, I'm a big football fan, but unfortunately, because of you see us again, those people. Now, I'm a big football fan, but unfortunately, because of engineering college exams and my job, I can't take on the opportunity as much as I wanted to. I don't even want to read further.
You must postpone.
So I told the agent that I'm going to pick someone else to give it to and reach back to them on this phone number or email. They said it was cool as long as I don't take too long because the tickets are already on high demand. I had a list of people to give. The first person was my brother, Adam, 27, male. And the second was my best friend, Jack, 20, male. Both are huge fans and would be ecstatic to attend. So it's the brother v. Jack Grealish, the best friend. And she's 19 F, eh? She's 20 F.
Are they twins? No, sorry.
No, Jack's 20.
So Jack's twin.
Yeah, it's a big brother, Adam. Both are huge fans and will be ecstatic to attend. I made the biggest mistake of my life and told my family about this in a state of happiness, but never said I'm going to give it to Adam as a surprise. Well, to say I was shocked would be a lie, but Adam convinced our entire family, including our grandparents, that it was so unfair that I, a nerd, much less a woman, got this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity while he was struggling to land a job and is living with my parents.
Ayadama.
And he said I don't deserve it anyway since he's the one who taught me about football. True. And it should have been him. Yeah, my parents have been breathing down my neck for the past 3 days or so. I'm not going to read further. You see,
no, I'm done.
That is what parents do. He's older than I. That is what parents do. When you have a 27-year-old Willie Weker, but I see life owes him something. His sister is working. His sister is going to college. She's doing engineering school. All of that. She put in effort to win something. Now, oh, poor Boetie at home.
You must give it to him.
Give it to Boetie.
Nee, jong. So upset.
And then who's the most upset? The parents. Because they cover for Adam. That's why Adam is sitting there at home. Willie Weker. Parents. I'm a parent.
You're the problem.
I'm a parent. Yeah, my parents have been breathing down my neck for the past 3 days or so, demanding I give him the ticket and never participate in male-dominated activities again. What in the south of America is this?
What going on?
I told him to F off and basically gave the ticket to Jack, who was overjoyed and he almost started crying when I broke down the news to him. I haven't told Adam or my family about it. and they keep harassing me about the topics. I can't help but feel guilty for not giving it to my brother. Don't you dare feel guilty.
No.
You pick up your chin, you lift up your head,
You say
pick
no.
up your chin, and you stand your ground. Jy het vir Adam gespoil. Adam
I have
said,
so many fields.
Liam, let her at it.
Let it all. One, can we go back to this before we even talk about the parentals? Do you remember from previous iters? What is it with this thing of I've shown you, female, I've taught you about football.
Oh, then you're now entitled.
Now you're
oh,
entitled-
yeah.
You
Oh,
owe me.
I
You
taught
must-
you football, so you must support my team.
Yeah. Like,
Men, I tell you.
what is wrong with you guys? Come on, man.
Men, we need to do better. Look at me, I'm talking to you. Men, we need to do
You
better.
that bro who teaches her how to play fantasy and then she beats you. Now you quiet.
That's hurt. That's hurt.
It's
That's hurt.
a bill.
But it is what it is.
And to the parents,
I'm a parent.
what go on? Eh? How are you entertaining this behavior? How are you putting your daughter down? I would think that you don't want that like the in us. Give him every opportunity to go at.
Where is that stick about Adam now?
But Adam convinced our entire family, that one, including our grandparents.
It was so unfair that I, a nerd, much as a woman. How can you be sexist and unemployed? Pick one, buddy.
Yeah.
This is that. The world owes me something.
Mhm.
The world owes me something, and the world's giving everything to my sister, and they give me nothing to me. Woe is me. And the parents back and enable that behavior. Adam is like a friend with other Bobby. That's scared of his mother-in-law. I feel like Adam and that guy hangs out together.
But well done, Sister Girl, for saying, you know what, he must.
Just to go, stand your ground. I can tell you now, there's going to be proper comments on this thing.
Do you know what I would have done? If it wasn't like an actual ticket, right? I would have torn up in front of him. Anyway, let's go to the comments. This is just upsetting me. Everyone's saying not that.
He doesn't deserve a ticket after that behavior. It's your ticket, you're free to give it to your want. Your brother isn't entitled to it. He was rude behind your back and thinks you don't deserve it. Well, I think he's the one who doesn't deserve anything.
Has your family always been so sexist?
Very valid. You could have asked you politely, but he chose to be petty. You're right to give it to your BFF who will really appreciate and enjoy it. Adam lost out by being such an immature turd. I agree.
I almost said something now, but it's a PG show.
It is a PG show.
I can't even make the gesture right now.
Yeah, don't. Don't reward bad behavior. Goodness.
Yeah, everyone's in agreement.
Yeah, nee, sister girl. What's her name? 20F.
20F.
20F, 21.
You're winning this one.
Yeah, you're winning this one, 21. 21 love. Yeah, Adam. We don't have time
But
for you, brother.
I'm just thinking now a bit further, right? She's 20. Huh? Jax is a 20.
She and Jack's koppeling. She and Jack's koppeling.
That's the main thing. Jack is makkelijk what you call it friends with Adam.
You think Jack and Adam know each other?
And Adam is quiet.
I don't think Jack and Adam know each other. I don't think Adam gets out the house much. I don't think he makes much friends. If you live with your parents, you don't work, you don't study, your circle of influence is small.
I guess so.
You go to church.
You say unless you go to church. Oh, what to say?
Or karaoke nights. with your friends.
For them. Will you be giving them bonuses?
I must.